Hello, my name is Tina. I'm head of design of Victoria Designs, and we have another project pack for you, the Recipe Journal Box project pack. Christy from the YouTube channel Faithful Designs by Christy created this beautiful box that holds a number of journals. And she did it all with the printables of this project pack. If you're a crafter, it's very much worth to check out her channel and subscribe. In this video, Christy is going to show you her fabulous recipe journal box and also the printables from our Recipe Journal Box project pack. The tutorial will be available in a separate video. And now it is time to give the word to the wonderful Christy.
Hello everyone, this is Christy from Faithful Designs by Christy. And again, I'm here making another tutorial for Victoria Designs. And I made a journal in a box. Instead of putting the signatures in a journal, I put the signatures loose right here. As you can see, 6 signatures, and they are in the box. So you don't have to have a bulky journal, because when it's about food and recipes, we have a lot to write, right? Especially recipes from the family. And now I'm going to show you my box. Okay, this is all the papers from Victoria Designs, and everything is so vintage. I decorated this image. It doesn't come like that. Okay, these are labels that I made in my computer, and right here I added pearls, but this one was down and I fussy cut and I put it up here because I didn't want to waste this picture. Okay, so then the rest are plain papers that came with the collection, and even the bottom, everything is covered. I'm going to show you how to do. And I decorated with these tassels right here, and you can easily pull from the tassel to grab the book. And all the books has the labels on top, and look at the beautiful images of the papers. See, front and back. And I decorated inside, but first let me show you all the books, okay? I just randomly put up here. It's not in order, but you can see breakfast, dessert. Then right here I have this one, appetizers. Then I have main, and then right here I have lunch, and the last one is entries. Okay, and right here the whole box is covered. See, and you're going to learn how to do this. It has a very nice finish. Okay, so I'm going to show you now the books, and let's start with entries. Okay, I didn't put too much because if it's too bulky, then your box had to be like this big, right? And I didn't have to print too many pages. Okay, I put a lot of my dime papers, but you can play with embellishments, and that's what I did. Okay, see, all these are embellishments, and I made a pocket. Okay, then right here, and I was inspired to do this like fake sewing. I did it in all the pages. It's not from the design, but in the pictures, some of them had it. So I did the same in everything. So everything matches. Can you see? Okay, and then right here, okay, more sewing. Then I put these papers that I had in my stash. So you can use anything, okay? If you want just plain papers from the copy machine, it's okay. This is just for you to have fun doing it, okay? So right here is another beautiful page. Okay, as you can see, this one is paper, and this one, the cover is cardstock. Okay, so right here there is another design on this side. Okay, and then I made this one using a paper bag, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And also I made this cookie pack, so you can save anything inside. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to make this one too. And as you can see, it has a pocket here, and this one has a pocket here, and then you can put a picture up here. Okay, then right here, more papers, and this is the other side of the paper bag. And again, see, so you can save some magazine recipes or something inside. And right here, look, a tag. And as you can see, all the embellishments and all the papers that you see, okay, the printed papers are from the kit. Okay, I didn't add anything, just these die papers. And paper bag and the other die paper with lines. Okay, this is another one, and I just label it as soups. Then right here, look, it has a beautiful, okay, image. And then right here again, another 2 pieces of paper. And this journal is going to be very simple to make. Okay, as you can see right here, these were scraps, okay, and from the big papers. And this journal was very easy to make. These are the embellishments, and I print them in cardstock. And as you can see, it has those pockets, tags, it has many things to embellish the journal, see, and lots of spaces for writing. And you can print them as many as you want. And in this pack, you're going to get 6 pages of embellishments. And you will see in that tutorial many ideas on how to use these embellishments. In this project pack, you will get 24 pages. I printed 6 pages in cardstock and 6 pages in copy paper. And the ones in cardstock, I'm going to use it for the cover. And if you want to print more pages for the inside of each journal, you can do it. And that's the best of buying digital papers, that you have it all in your computer and you can print it at any time and as many as you want. Now I'm going to show you the full pages. In this pack, you're going to get 8 full pages. And look at this one, it has 2 decorations. You can cut it in half and use it in different ways. Then this one right here, you can get that top for little tags, and you are going to see what I did with them. Look, this one is like a pattern, this one too, and so you can cut in different ways and make many things with these papers. And I printed all of these full pages in cardstock. And this is my project done. And if you like it, you want to make one with me, right? Thank you very much, Tina, for letting me do another tutorial for you. And thank you everyone for watching my videos.